Mihira, glad I caught you. I'm preparing for Mrs. Davison's session. She's making good progress after her ankle repair, and I want to start gentle, partial weight-bearing exercises today. Her surgeon mentioned specific parameters, so I need to ensure we have the right support.
Mr. Clark? Yes, Mrs. Davison. She's keen to get moving. We've got the standard walking frames and crutches ready, of course. But for someone at her stage, perhaps a bit more stability than crutches, but less restrictive than a full frame, would be beneficial. We recently received a new batch of those forearm support walkers. They're much better for maintaining posture while still allowing some controlled load.
Ah, the new forearm walkers. Excellent. I was hoping they'd arrived. That would be perfect for Mrs. Davison's graded progression. She really needs something that allows her to feel secure without relying entirely on upper body strength, which is where some of the standard frames fall short for her. It's a fine balance, giving enough support but still encouraging the leg to do its work. We also have Mr. Jenkins, who's struggling with balance after his inner ear infection. He needs something that won't trip him up. And young Lily, with her developing gait, requires a very lightweight, agile frame.
Yes, exactly. The forearm walkers are also quite useful for patients with some wrist or hand weakness, unlike the traditional crutches that put a lot of pressure there. They distribute the support more evenly. I'll make sure one is set up for Mrs. Davison immediately.
Perfect, Mihira. That should really help her build confidence today. Mihira, I want you to know that it makes complete sense to feel worried right now, and you are doing exactly the right thing by asking these questions. The doctors believe your baby might have neonatal sepsis because of a few specific things they are observing. For instance, your little one's body temperature is lower than it should be, which is a sign that their body is struggling to fight something off. You may have also noticed that the baby is not sucking as strongly during feeds, or perhaps they seem very fussy one moment, and then unusually tired and hard to wake the next. These are not your fault. A newborn's immune system is simply immature and not yet ready to battle bacteria effectively. The infection can happen if the baby was exposed to bacteria during birth, perhaps from the mother's birth canal, or shortly after birth from the environment. In a neonatal intensive care unit, or NICU, babies are often more vulnerable because they are already premature or have low birth weight, which makes them prone to picking up germs even with the best care. Please remember, recognizing these signs early is actually a good thing because it means the medical team can start antibiotics right away to help your baby get better. You are not alone in this.